Throughout last year's blizzard, the City of Good Neighbors stayed true to their name, coming together to help each other. Another place that stayed true to its name, the popular convenience store known to many as We Never Close. News 4's Patrick Ryan brings us this story.
If you've ever driven or walked down Elmwood Avenue, you've certainly seen this red neon glowing sign reading "We Never Close" on the side of Cameron's 24-hour store. And even through hurricane force winds and blinding snow last year, the store stood true to its name.
The situations that happen in that, you can't really put into words.
For 26 years, Michael Moretti has been a familiar face behind the counter of Cameron's 24-hour store on the corner of Elmwood and Bird Avenues. He grew up in Buffalo and knows what a typical snowstorm looks like. That was until Mother Nature unleashed on the Queen City this time last year.
I've never seen anything like that as far as a storm. The intensity for so long. And just people were just in, their eyes were just like desperate need of just somewhere to go, somewhere to get some calm.
This is what it looked like as hurricane force winds and blinding snow pounded Buffalo, forcing most stores to close. Cameron's neon sign reading "We Never Close" served as a lighthouse along Elmwood Avenue, guiding the stranded to safety.
There was some people in desperate need, literally on the floor out, with frostbite or hypothermia.
About 5 employees and a dozen others took refuge in the store, sleeping in the aisles. Moretti says he did what he could to help those badly injured by the blizzard.
Just trying to help get them back, trying to get their limbs functioning again. It was at moments like that, yeah, when you're here overnight.
As he reflects 1 year later, Moretti can't help but thank his loyal customers.
Just all the support that they've shown and the appreciation, because that's what really hits the heart. Especially when you get to the holiday season, because I'm never going to forget it.
What does "We Never Close," that tagline, mean to you?
It just means determination. We never close tough. This pure determination to be here for the community. And I think that says a lot. It's when a lot of stores couldn't do it.
Reporting in Buffalo, Patrick Ryan, News 4.